Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a header column in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful when working with large spreadsheets, as it keeps important columns visible while you scroll through your data horizontally. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheets you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files and folders are displayed. From here, locate and click on the specific spreadsheet where you want to create the header column. This will open the spreadsheet in a new view, ready for editing. Now here's where the magic happens. Look towards the top left corner of your spreadsheet, specifically above the number 1 and just before column A. You'll notice a blank rectangular space with a gray line around its edges. This is the area you need to focus on. Go ahead and hover your mouse over this space. As you move your cursor over this area, you'll notice something interesting. Your mouse pointer will change from the standard arrow into a hand icon. This is Google Sheets signaling that you can interact with this element. Once you see the hand icon, click and hold your mouse button down. While holding down your mouse button, drag the gray line to the right. For this example, let's drag it between column A and column B. You'll see a visual indicator showing where the freeze line will be placed. This action tells Google Sheets which columns you want to keep fixed in place. Release your mouse button once you've positioned the line where you want it. The change takes effect immediately, and you'll notice the gray line now sits between your selected columns. Now comes the moment to test your new header column. Try scrolling sideways through your spreadsheet by using your mouse wheel or the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom. As you scroll to the right, you'll notice something remarkable. Column A remains visible and locked in place, while all the other columns scroll past it. This means no matter how far you navigate through your data, that crucial first column stays put, making it much easier to reference important information. This feature is particularly handy when you're working with employee lists, product inventories, or any data set where the first column contains key identifiers that you need to reference constantly while viewing other data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a header column in Google Sheets that will always remain visible as you navigate through your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.